Okay, so we're at Zostel in Wayanad. You can see that's Zostel, and the Chembra peak is right above Zostel. It's like that. So let's just take a tour of Zostel now. The location is excellent. Spectacular view from here. There's a tea estate in front. There's a swing to lie down. You just can't ask for more beyond this. It's like simply amazing. So the peak that you see there in between those trees and it's cloudy, that's Chembra Peak. And this is what you view when you come to Zostel at Wayanad. You can just see like hilltops all over this place like that. Since we are on the top, you just don't have to go out. You don't feel like you want to go out from here. It's a 1,000-piece puzzle, and I had company from the volunteer here to sort this out, and we sat up really late last night, and it's like it hasn't reached just nothing. Hope to finish it. Hope we could. Let's see. So that's pretty much about Zostel, and it's more about the location. Hey guys, we came out for a small trek. All the Zostlers here in Wayanad, they're walking behind me one after the other. There's a small waterfall just before entering Chembra Peak. Not small, it's quite huge, it's wild. So, just like thought, while heading up, we just came up all the way. Lovely. See that? That's real wild waterfall, huh? It's drizzling as usual in Wayanad. I made my way into the waterfall. The water was really sweet. You could taste the water. It was really nice. It was intense. Of course, the water was really fierce at one point of time. Slippery rocks. It was nice. It was unexpected. This wasn't what we intended it to be, but yeah, and it's raining again. This is weird. Keeps pouring on and off, on and off. It's raining, so get back to you in a while. Hello people, so it's the day to leave Wayanad. Had a lovely time last evening. Went out to the bungalow up Chembra peak, and there's a waterfall, but bad luck, I didn't have the camera with me, I just had the phone. It was unplanned that we just went out for lunch and decided to go up the peak. So today we'll be headed back to Bangalore. The sun is out. I did wake up early. The view is really nice. Every single day it's a different kind of a view, I feel. Today the clouds aren't covering. The mist is below the mountain top because we are at height. It's really nice. Chembra peak is visible today. See, it's clear today. The sky is okay, yeah, on one side it's clear and on the other it's very gloomy. There's a buddy parked for 2 days, hasn't moved. We'll be going for a long ride. You see those rays today? The view from Chembra peak would have been spectacular. Yeah, in this season there are a lot of leeches here, which you gotta be very careful once you're going out. Make sure you wear boots for a trek. Whoa! Kana! Yes, November, December is the best weather. Appo kana. Ini sandikku marikku vanakkam. Yeah. Record kodrikya? Come on, pose. Thank you. Goodbye, Zostel. Until next time. The board looks amazing now.
sky is clear, there's no rain. What the hell is happening to Wayanad now? I'm getting pretty upset of the weather now. 31 kilometers to Manandawadi, 277 to Bengaluru. We're off towards Manandawadi now. Heading towards the Bangalore-Mysore highway. Biddi railway station. So we're munching miles to reach Bangalore city. So much traffic. 25 kilometers away from Bangalore city. I put the visor down, it's getting hot inside. I pull it up, there's a lot of dust. Make way, I'm feeling too hot inside. I need space. Come on. Yes.